Hi, I'm Sakshi Malhotra and I'm working as a product owner with SAP. So my daily activities mostly comprise of gathering requirements from the stakeholders and the customers, and we have a development team who work on those requirements and deliver the respective results needed by the stakeholders and customers. So I am interested in product management, of course, but there's a little bit history behind that. So before I joined the product owner role at SAP, I was working as a technology consultant with SAP, and there it was a procurement product. And the requirements which we got mostly from customers or stakeholders, I had to say a no and let them know that, this is how our product is built. And I used to feel my hands are tied there. And I wanted to make a difference with the product and how I can enhance the product. And that's what got me interested into the product management or altogether the product role. And the freedom I got to get into lives of the people on what they really want. What got me interested into Institute of Product Leadership is that this was the only institute in India which was offering such kind of a curriculum. I, of course, had explored other options, and there are other foreign institutes offering the same, but I wanted this to be the one because it is an Indian institute, and I was happy about the fact that someone from India was offering this. And I, of course, feel I made the right decision because the way the tutors taught us was amazing. We had one-on-one sessions, we had capstone projects, and we had a brief exercise after every small portion which was taught to us. So yes, I think I made the right choice. So I would like to describe both a fun and a challenging situation which I experienced in IPL. So a fun situation which I would like to describe to you would be one of the days when we had to demonstrate our capstone projects to a jury which used to come from outside and not from IPL. It was based on the project which was selected out of the whole class. So in that, coincidentally, out of the 4 people who were presenting, 3 of us had the same topic, and it was fun to see how 3 of us with the same topic, with the same idea, how we demonstrated it to the jury. So that was quite a fun thing for me. For keeping you interested or for your knowledge, the topic's name was Homely. Again, it's delivery application which 3 of us had developed, and it was a fun evening that day to present it in front of the jury. Now, coming to the challenges which I experienced while I was in IPL was that I had my office till evening, then we had to submit our assignments or capstone projects. So the fun and the challenging aspects I experienced while prototyping or UX mock-ups which we made was fun, and I still use them in my day-to-day activities in SAP as well. So yeah, I'll never forget that, and that is something which is a great value addition for me even today. So as I've already briefly told you about my experience, which was not related to product management or anything related to product owner role, and I was a technology consultant earlier. So for me to pivot in the role of a product owner or a product management was very difficult. And it is not something which you can just apply to one role and you get it. It takes time, it takes patience to apply to 100 roles and then get through one. So fortunately, within my company, I had this opportunity of exploring fellowships because again, if in SAP also when I was applying to product management roles, I wasn't getting through because I had 4 years of experience which was not in product management. And it was the fellowship which brought me the product management role, but of course, it took a lot of patience and applying in 100 other openings and then getting through one. So my only advice would be to have a very strong foundation of your skill sets. Keep learning, keep your foundation strong, because if you have the skills, anybody will vouch for your skills other than just knowing that you're interested in product management. Secondly, keep applying to 100 openings, even if you have been rejected, let's say, in 50 before. So take that risk, have patience, keep learning, and not just the openings which are full-time, opt for any internships. Even if they are post your work, try to stretch and work towards your goal. If you are interested in product management or making a difference towards people or their lives or getting new ideas come to reality, I think you should keep focusing on building skills and keep trying. Don't give up.